Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to install Microsoft Office on a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Microsoft Office on your Chromebook, simply open Google Chrome browser and visit office.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide this link in the description box. Now here click on sign in option and sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can simply create an account by clicking on create one. Once you have signed into office.com, you will get this kind of interface from where you can access Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Now to install it, you will find installed icon on the address bar. You can simply click on it and here you will find the option to install Microsoft 365. If you don't get this option, you can also click on this three dot icon. Here click on save and share and here you will find install Microsoft 365. Now click on install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed on your Chromebook, then you can simply pin this Microsoft 365 shortcut to the Chromebook itself. For that, right click on it and here click on pin. Now using this shortcut, you can simply access Microsoft Office application. There is also another method to open Microsoft Office 365. For that, simply click on App Launcher icon and here you will get Microsoft 365 application. Simply click on it. Now to use Word, Excel and PowerPoint, simply select the application from the navigation menu. Now simply select your Word document template. Let me select blank document. So here we have our document. Similarly, you can also use Excel and PowerPoint. So that's it. This is how you can install Microsoft Office on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.